Oh.
Is it snowing?
All right, Hayden, let's get your shoes on. We gotta go. You can still eat that and put your shoes on. Yes. Yes. Don't just kick your shoes around. Come on. Both of you. Hayden, shoes. Now. Shoes.
Sticky.
I know your
Huh?
hands are all sticky.
Your hands are all sticky?
Yeah. I don't want to go home.
I know you don't want to go home. Come on, go put your shoes on.
Hayden, you put your shoes on.
Hayden.
You gotta put your shoes on. You have to go home. Yeah.
Put your shoes on. You already have one. Still got one.
Hayden, you're eating one of those.
Wow.
You better put your shoes on.
Put your shoes on, Hayden. Let's go.
I'm sticky.
I know you're all sticky, but you need to put your shoes on. We have to go. You can't do it.
Mm-hmm.
We have to go.
What?
Why? Because I have to cook dinner. We gotta eat. The boys have to go to school tomorrow. God, my head hurts. Why don't you just wear your boots? You have to go home. Put your foot down.
Whoa.
You have to go home. Okay. Yes. Come here. Oh. Yeah. You gotta put your coat on. I know you don't want to go home, but we have to go home. Come on.
Hayden,
Don't climb under the table. Come on.
come on. Put your coat on.
Just say.
Where is it?
Come on.
Oh, she likes cheese, don't she?
Come on. You gotta help me. I only got one hand now.
Hey, and I don't got cheese.
Let me zip it. That's probably Josh. Where are you guys at?
Hayden didn't want to go.
I know, she don't want to go. She don't like going home.
Oh my God.
So probably home.